Welcome back to SolidWorks and ANSYS Tutor YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and haven't subscribed our channel, press the subscribe button. In this SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to make the 3D model using and reading this 2D drawing. So let's start. So first of all, we are going to make length, width and depth of the rectangle. So the length is 33, width is 90 and depth is 64. So first of all, go to front plane, simply go to sketch and make rectangle. So the length of the rectangle is 33 and width of the rectangle is 90, like this. Now we will simply go to extrude command, select mid plane from here and give the depth of 64, select OK. So as you can see that we have made the rectangle. Now we are going to make this simple shape. We are going to use the extrude cut command. So the dimension is 15 offset from here and the total width is 34 and length is 14. So we are going to select this face, go to sketch and simply make the reference point and give it the dimension of 15 from here and make the rectangle having 14 height and 34 width. As you can see that the height is 14 and width is 34. Now we are going to simply extrude cut it and select through all both from here and select OK. So our base part is ready. Now we have to make this semicircle part. So first of all we are going to make this shape like this and then we will make the circle. So the length of this shape is 60 and the height is 37 from here. So we are simply going to select front plane again and we will make the center line from the center of this part and give it the value of 37, like this. Now as you know that the width was 60, so we have selected midpoint line from here and we will simply give the value 30, so it is total of 60. Now we will simply close it like this. So this gray contour always show that this is the closed contour and you can simply extrude it. And now from here you can see that our sketch is fully defined. So if you are going to give certified SolidWorks sample or certified SolidWorks associate exams, make sure that always make the sketch in the fully defined feature so that your math property will become accurately. So now we are simply going to make it extrude, select mid plane from here. So the depth of this shape is 48. So we are going to give it the 48 depth, select OK from here. So now you can see our half part is ready. Now the radius of this circle or semicircle is 20. So we will make the radius here. Just simply select this face and find the center point of this line and make the circle of radius 20. Now simply go to extrude cut command and select through all both and cut it. So now from here you can see that we have make the shape of the semicircle from here. Now we have to make this one cut. So the depth of this cut is 37 plus 10, so it is 47. So we are going to select this face, go to sketch. Now simply make the rectangle like this. So the length of rectangle is 28 and width is 16. So we are going to give the dimension of 16 here, and from here we are going to give it 28 and select OK from here. So now make sure that this rectangle is in the midpoint of this line. So for that what we have to do is we have to make the reference point on this line like this, and we have to make these 2 points coincident like this. So now you can see that our sketch is fully defined and in the center. So now simply go to extrude cut command again and give it the dimension of 47. Select OK from here. So now you can see our extrude cut feature is ready. Now we will simply mirror this feature on the other side of our part to save the time. We are not going to make it again. Simply select front plane, which is in the middle of this part, because we have select mid plane for our extrude boss feature. Select OK. So now you can see our extrude cut part is ready. So now we are going to make this rectangle and this face. So the width of rectangle is 16 and length is 25. So we will simply select the right plane. So the length is 25 from here and the width is 16. Select OK from here. Now again simply make the center line and make the midpoint of this rectangle coincident to this center line like this. So now from here you can see that it is fully defined. Simply go to exit sketch command, go to extrude cut again and select through all both from here. Select OK. So now you can see that our 3D model is simply ready. So if you want to see the annotations, just simply go to display annotations and show feature dimensions from here. So now you can analyze any dimension without going into the feature command. So this was simple SolidWorks exercise number 11. So thank you for watching. Keep supporting and keep sharing our channel for the more interesting videos.